closer to stop global warming.
Yeah.
And so this is don't worry about those little stickers over there. This is like the gases.
Yeah, the gases.
These little bubbles over here, they're the gases, and they're surrounding the earth, so it's making them more hotter. The sun is blowing more bubbles, and then it's the gases are punching them, so they can make them hotter. So it's more harder for them animals to live, and less water.
Yeah, less water. Okay. So we have to use less water because more animals need water in the cactus, the trees. Animals have
enough. Animals don't have enough water in the desert.
Yeah.
And so this is after the global warming.
Yeah.
And then this is before, so we have to plant more cactuses.
Yeah.
And our solution is to use less water and send a robot to space. This is what it looks like. Send a robot to space and take away the greenhouse. The greenhouse's gas. The greenhouse's gas. The greenhouse gases. So we can cure our Earth.
Yeah.
And that's it for it today, guys. Hello world. My name is Adelina. I will be reporting in the desert today. It will be 87 Fahrenheit at night. It will drop to 66 Fahrenheit. Be careful. The sand dunes might catch your camel. That's all. Bye. Happy Hump Day.